Hi everyone, in this video we are going to go over the text join function in Excel. To do this, we will start in cell G11 and join the city followed by a hyphen and the customer number for all customers. So let's head over to G11. We'll start by typing equals text join. Once you see it, you can hit tab. You'll notice it's asking for a few arguments, the first one being the delimiter. So this is just asking what is going to separate the two strings of text that we are about to join together. In our case, it's going to be a hyphen, but on the exam, it might be a double space, a back or forward slash. Anytime you have to input this, though, you have to open quotes. So we'll start with that. So we'll open quotations, type the hyphen, and close quotations. This is telling Excel that we just entered a piece of text. Now we'll type a comma. This will move us to our next argument. We're going to arrow down and just choose false and hit tab. You can also type the word. We want to include any empty cells. We'll type another comma. It's asking us, okay, what is that first piece of text? So in this case, they told us it's going to be the city. Type one more comma. And our second piece is going to be the customer number. We can close parentheses and hit enter. And now let's drag this down so that it autofills for all of the rows. And there you go.